Hey, what's going on, everybody? Happy New Year's Day and happy 2022. 2021's over, thankfully. Hopefully, I don't want to see any more 2022 footage. As you see, what I'm making a red, white, and blue car. This is what red and blue look like. So you got red and then white and then blue. Yep. My first time ever making a New Year's Day and a new day. I don't know what I could be using, but it is a new day, but I don't know what number I could be using because I feel like I've been using all different kind of numbers, but there's no way I can use 2022 on the number because I don't have any new number. So we'll just leave it to 07. Even though a great season, I know a lot of kids that have 07 on their Instagram, like Nate Smith and Charles Dale. So Nate Smith and Charles Dale, if you guys are watching this, please sure let me know down in the comments what number I could use next. Nate for a great season. Yep, Nate Smith. There you go. Alright, let's see what new truck I could be using. From. Oh, yes, the West. Well, I don't want to run Westside Speedway anymore. I already ran that for like, what, 5 million times? I ran Daytona. What track have I never ran? I have ran the Mountains track. That's all just a long track. I feel like I ran every news track. But I like Westside Speedway. I guess I'll do Westside Speedway. Alright, back here once again, our red, white, and blue car. Just put us. I should have ran Daytona because that's the only track that has red, white, and blue. The American West instead of Westside Speedway. Oh well. I might run that in the next Happy New Year Part 2. I should put in a song in there. I will be able to put songs in there on my next video, so if you guys want to stick tuned for that, make sure to let me know down in the comments. Oh my God! Max just put Rusty Head in. Put him in the finish line, Paul, or yeah, the finish line checkpoint, whatever you want to call that. I just got ping ponged by a police car. Did I just get ping pong in 2022? In a video game in 2022? Yep. Don't you guys come back down, or come back up, rather. Alright, off this final turn, I think we're eyes on the prize, should actually probably do, and we will get the win. Alright, so that is gonna do it. So that's gonna do it for this race. Guys, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and I will be doing the Daytona race next video, so you stick around for that. This is part 1 of Happy New Year's Day, rather, if I could say, not New Year's Eve, because yesterday was New Year's Eve. So, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you want me to see next, and I'll see you guys in the next video.